Hi guys, welcome back to Ballroom Dance Chicago. Today we'll be learning an inside turn and side basic in preparation for your wedding.
So if you don't know the side basic step yet, you gotta learn it. Even if you need to review it, check out our last tutorial. What is that called? The side basic for your wedding? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Why don't we show you what this looks like first. I'm gonna do the leader's part, so if you're a leader, watch me.
And if you're a follower, watch me.
Cool, here we go. We're gonna do a full basic first. I'm gonna do left hand, and as I come back to the right, I spin and Marie. Let's do it one more time. Here we go, right away. Cool, so why don't we break this down? I'm gonna show you the arms first, because I think that's the hardest part of turns. Then we're gonna go to my feet, and then Anne-Marie's feet. Okay, arms, just like with other turns we've learned, we drop our right arm first. We learned an inside turn and swing a while back. If you haven't watched that, it might be worth watching. I turn my wrist inward this way, as if I'm looking at a watch, and draw a circle around Anne-Marie's head, and that should get her to turn. So I drop my right arm, I look at my watch, and at the same time draw a circle around Anne-Marie's head.
Followers, keep in mind that we want to keep our arm nice in front of us and connected to our body so that our leader can initiate that turn.
Cool, so why don't we do the footwork really quick? I go side, close, side, tap. That's a full basic. And then guess what? I just do another basic as Anne-Marie turns. I don't change my footwork at all.
For followers, we will be changing our footwork, so let's check that out.
Cool. So let's do a basic first. We go one, bum, bum, bum.
Bum, 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 bum. Now, followers, we're going to be stepping down the line, a forward step, bringing our feet together, spin around, and then taking another side step together.
So really, she's just spinning while her feet are coming together, or my feet are coming together. So we go 1, 2, 3. She spins, and then we up. The timing of this step is exactly like the timing of the basic step. It's all even, it's on the beat. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's that. If you have questions about the timing though and how that fits to your song, feel free to call or email us with those questions. What do we have coming up next?
We have a dip coming up next, so you better stay tuned.
Yep.
Gotta end that song.